Hi, my name is Ismail. I'm a physician and more specifically a super specialist in fetal maternal medicine. I've been using Michael Williams' Pro 90D program and speech coaching for the last 6 weeks. And I can tell you it has changed my life. I feel super confident in my speech. I'm giving almost flawless presentations and I feel naturally eloquent. I've been on live radio, which was broadcast to almost 300,000 people, and I felt confident and flawless and natural in answering the host's questions. Michael's program of modeling and transferring that to real life situations is an absolute winner because it helps create a brand new speaking identity, which is in fact fluent. The great aspect of Michael's program is that it has a strong scientific basis. It rests on the scientific discipline of neuroscience. This is what initially attracted me to his program, because as a physician, I understood the science and I realized that this program was going to work, and it does. I want to thank you, Michael, for a wonderful, fantastic program, and for all the help you give, and for the confidence you brought to me and to my life. Thank you very much.